Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Bean Pipe School. I am Vijay Lakshmi and you are here to learn about separation of substances. And if you remember, I have posted a video on separation of substances, and one of the process of solid separation was mixture hand picking. And I felt that I have to tell you about pure substances. You have to have the knowledge of substances, like classification of substances, pure substance and impure substances, and then you will have an idea of a concept of mixture, what mixture is, and then we can subsequently learn how to separate these mixtures around. So let us first learn about pure substances. Now that is what I am going to tell you, that pure substances are substances that are absolutely pure, in the sense whenever you try to divide the substance or you want to segregate the substance into smallest of its particle, you will get that particular substance in itself, or the atoms, or the smallest particle, which is the atom or the molecule. If you go to the molecular level, if you break the substance, you will get the same substance. For example, like I have chalk here. This is a compound. Okay, now this chalk, if I keep breaking the chalk and I keep breaking it into the smallest of its particle, smallest possible particle that if I can make, so there also I will get this chalk itself. I will not get anything new out of it. Okay, that is why it is considered as pure substance. If we take the example of gold, it is a pure substance. If we take the example of sulfur, pure substance, then iron is a pure substance. The water, here I have water. Now this water itself is a pure substance. Now, if we continue with the discussion of pure substance, we can classify pure substance as elements and compounds. Now, these elements are substances categorized, which can be categorized as like metals, non-metals and metalloids. Whereas in compounds, we have various types of compounds, like we have water, then we have examples like calcium carbonate is a compound, sodium chloride is a compound, then ammonium chloride is a compound. Lots of compounds are there in nature. So these are categorized as pure substances. Now in metals, we have iron as metal, then we have calcium as metal, sodium as metal, silver, gold, these are all metals. And in non-metals, we have carbon as non-metals, then chlorine as non-metals, and many more, which you will be learning in higher classes. And metalloids, which have properties of both metals as well as non-metals. So here, these are called as pure substances. I hope you have understood the concept of pure substance. Now henceforth, when you get some substance in front of you, then you can make out, yeah, this is a pure substance and this is an impure substance. Now before I wind up, I have a question for you. You have to name 2 pure substances. Write your answer in the comment section and do tell me how it was learning with me, and see you in the next video learning about impure substances. Thank you.